Okay, moving on with 13.8. Problem 2 in the packet asks us to find the real and imaginary parts of this complex number here. I have a few notes up here for you, just remembering that the square root of -1 is I squared is equal to -1, and then we have this standard form of a complex number here. So the real part is right here, the -1, okay? So the real part is -1, and then the imaginary part is right here, and we want to also kind of think about the sign included with it, but I didn't circle the positive sign. But so the imaginary part is 9. Okay. Then looking at this one here, it's a little more difficult. We have to think about that this 3 divides into both those pieces there. So we can think about it as -15 over 3 minus radical 17 over 3i. And then we spot that the real part is -15 over 3, but we want to simplify that. And then the imaginary part is right here, and we want to make sure to include that sign, so we have negative radical 17 over 3. Okay. Then looking at this one, this is actually not in standard form. We have to think about if this is 0 plus 0 minus 11/6i. And so the real part is 0, and then the imaginary part is, you can probably spot it, -11/6. Okay. And then looking at the last one here, now this is a real number, but when we want to write it in the complex number form, we have to think about it's 1/7 plus 0i. And so we have the real part is 1/7, and then the imaginary part is 0. Okay. Hope that helps. Thanks.